Hi, hello, Midside channel welcomes you all. Come, let's go into the video. Today, we are going to see about phenotype and genotype. Before saying phenotype and genotype, let's see about what DNA and gene are. DNA is the short form of deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is a molecule that contains the genetic code of organisms. A DNA molecule is composed of two chains of nucleotides that wind about each other to resemble a twisted ladder. The sides of the ladder are made up of sugars and phosphates, and the rungs are formed by bonded pairs of nitrogenous bases. These bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Next, let us see what a gene is. Genes are functional units of heredity as they are made of DNA. It is a subdivision of DNA and is mainly passed down from parents to their children. Genes are generally organized and packaged into components called chromosomes. Overall, human beings have 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes. A set of chromosomes are passed on from a child's mother, and another set of chromosomes comes from the child's father. There are about 30,000 genes in every cell of human body. They play a vital role in controlling the functions of both DNA and RNA. Now let's see what is phenotype. The term phenotype refers to the observable physical properties of an organism, like organism's appearance, development, and behavior, such as height, eye color, and blood type. Let's see this through some pictures for the phenotype properties. See the eye colors: blue, black, and gray. Various flower colors and the various height of people are all examples of phenotype properties. What is genotype? The genotype is a genetic constitution of an individual. The genotype identifies the alleles related to a single trait or to a number of traits. Georg Johann Mendel, father of genetics, after doing his experimentation on pea plant, he interpreted that in monohybrid cross, which means crosses involving inheritance of only one pair of contrasting characters, phenotype is 3:1 and genotype is 1:2:1. And in dihybrid cross, that is crosses involving the inheritance of two pairs of contrasting characters at the same time, the phenotype is 9:3:3:1 and the genotype is 1:1:2:2:4:2:2:1:1. Now let's see the difference between phenotype and genotype. Phenotype is the observable physical properties of an organism. Genotype is the hereditary information of the organism in the form of gene in the DNA. Phenotypes are visible. Genotypes are not visible. Phenotype appears as physical appearance outside the body. Genotype appears as genetic material inside the body. The phenotype may or may not be inherited from the parent. The genotype is inherited from the parent. Phenotype changes with period. Genotype does not change with period. Examples of phenotypes are the blood group, eye color, hair texture, etc. Examples of genotypes are homozygous dominant, heterozygous, homozygous recessive, etc. I hope you would have understood the difference between phenotype and genotype. Thank you.